and welcome back to my channel. Well, happy monsoon. It is one of my favorite weathers. Isn't it yours as well? Well, with this weather, we have a fun activity to share with you all. And this activity is weather forecast count. Children are going to cover quite a lot of concepts while doing this activity. They have to pretend to be meteorologists and speak about the weather forecast. It is super fun. Please do not miss out on this activity and surely do it with your kids. While we are talking about weather, we are also going to cover a lot of concepts, a lot of math concepts like what comes before, what comes after, addition, subtraction, which is the bigger number, and lots more. You are surely going to have fun. Please subscribe to my channel and quickly let's have a look at the activity. See you! Let's quickly have a look at the supplies. We need a white A4 sheet, a yellow and blue A4 sheet, and some cotton. Take a white A4 sheet and cut along the lines. Make clouds as shown in the picture and write the following. The weather is. Take the yellow sheet and cut out the shapes of lightning. Just like this, we'll take a blue sheet and make some raindrops. And with some cotton, we'll make some snowballs. It's time for a weather forecast. Children get very excited. We have snow, we have pitter-patter raindrops, and some lightning. Take a piece of paper and wrap it with sellotape. You can also use number of pieces of papers, but reusing the paper, writing and erasing is a fun activity for kids. So you can take a piece of paper, wrap it with sellotape, write over it, erase it. It's gonna be fun. Just like this. Let's begin. Kids can do some counting. Five snowflakes. They can also do some addition. 5 plus 2 lightning. So they count the number and write the final answer. And just like addition, we can also do subtraction. Just like I said earlier, they can also do before, after, what number comes in middle, which is the bigger number, which is the smaller number. So there are a lot of math concepts that we can cover up with this fun activity. So like I wrote 5 raindrops and I asked her what comes after 5. She had to place that many raindrops. 6 comes after 5. Children love to take the lead, and this activity is all about it. Children can talk as meteorologists. They can make their own equations and solve it. Two plus 2 gives 4. Let's make learning fun.